This is a rubber band, and doing this can make you unbreakably disciplined. And if you're anything like me, you probably promised yourself that you're gonna start taking action tomorrow more times than you can count. So every time I catch myself doing this or making excuses and starting to procrastinate, I just do this, and then I immediately start taking the action. And there's actually a psychological reason why this works. And once you understand this, discipline is not gonna be a struggle anymore. It becomes who you are. I want you to think of our brain as like an integrity monitor that keeps track of every single time you make a promise, but most importantly, our ability and our inability to follow through with that promise. The more you follow through, the more you trust yourself. An easy way to understand this is to visualize a health bar in your brain, where every time you follow through with your promise, the health increases, and every time you don't, it decreases. And the closer you are to 100%, the easier it is the next time you try and take action. So how do you take action when your health bar is empty? What you gotta realize is that every time it's time to take action, or you even thinking about taking action, your brain essentially builds up a case against why you shouldn't take action. It tells you things like, you're tired, or let's watch that episode and then do it later, or let's keep it for tomorrow. And the key is to not even engage in this conversation with the brain and snap yourself out of it with the rubber band. And the mild sting of the snap actually interrupts this automatic loop you're stuck in, and it gives you enough of a pause to stop negotiating and make a conscious decision instead. And then you don't think, you just jump straight into the action. By doing this, you're able to take action, and as a result, you fill up the health bar, which builds self-trust, which in turn makes taking action the next time a lot easier. And in the process, you become an action taker. You become a disciplined person. And if you are someone who's struggling to take action and build consistency, you might want to check out the Liberated. It's a structured bootcamp that is designed to make you take action every single day, and in the process build momentum and become someone who enjoys being disciplined. Links in the description. I'll see you next time.